Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Prius remote battery. First, gather your materials. You will need one new CR1632 3-volt lithium coin battery. These are widely available at electronics stores or online. Additionally, have a small flathead screwdriver ready, or you can use the emergency key that comes with your fob. Having these items on hand will make the process quick and easy, taking only a few minutes of your time. Now, let's open the remote. Begin by locating the small button on the side of your key fob and press it to release the mechanical emergency key. Slide this key out completely. Next, you will see a small slot where the emergency key was housed. Carefully insert the tip of the emergency key or your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the tool to pry the two halves of the fob apart, being careful not to damage the internal components. With the fob open, you will see the small, round battery. Use the tip of your emergency key or the flathead screwdriver to carefully pry the old battery out of its holder. Note the orientation of the old battery before removal. Now, take your new CR1632 3-volt lithium coin battery and insert it into the holder, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. It should snap securely into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the remote, making sure all internal components are properly seated. Press the halves firmly together until you hear them click securely into place. Once the fob is closed, slide the mechanical emergency key back into its slot until it locks. Now, test your remote's functionality by trying to lock and unlock your vehicle. Your remote should now be working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.